Hello guys, hope you will be fine and taking good care of your health. Welcome to this video. In this video, we are starting exercise 3.2, question number 1. Question number 1 is, without actual division, separate the terminating and non-terminating decimals. So first of all, question arising, what is terminating and what is non-terminating decimals? Okay. So first of all, we discuss what is terminating decimals. If the number of digits after decimal point are limited, then that decimal is called terminating decimal. For example, 5.321. There are limited numbers after decimal, that is 321. That is called terminating decimal. This is the example of terminating decimal. So here I write terminating decimal. If the number of digits are if the numbers after decimal point are non-finite or not limited, like this 5.3333 and this 3 is repeating too much times that it will not be end, then that number is called non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal. Okay. Now, so question number 1 is, you can see, without actual division, separate terminating and non-terminating decimal. So here we have not to divide two numbers, then we can easily separate out terminating and non-terminating decimal. Here book writers say without actual division. It means we have not to divide it. Okay. So what we have a rule to separate terminating and non-terminating decimal. That rule is, if in denominator of a fraction. So what is denominator of a fraction? Here I write 5/3. A number that is above the fraction, that is called numerator. A number that is below the fraction, that is called denominator. If the denominator is consists of prime factors of only 2 and 5, only 2 and 5 in denominator, only 2 and 5. If the denominator consists of only 2 and 5 prime factors of 2 and 5, then that number is terminating decimal, otherwise it is not terminating. Means if there is 2 and 5 in denominator, or the prime factors of 2 and 5 in denominator, then that numbers are terminating, otherwise all are non-terminating. Now we solve the question, then this question will be clear out. Question number 1, part number 1. Part number 1 is 13/8. So here we have to take denominator, not numerator, only denominator. We have to check only denominator. Is it the 2 or 5, or it is prime factors of 2 and 5. So for this purpose we take prime factors of 8. For this we take LCM of 8. 2 4 the 8, 2 2 the 4, 2 1 the 2. You can see all prime factors of 8 are 2. So in denominator there is 2. So this question is terminating decimal. So here I write terminating decimal. Now I am solving. So now I am solving part number 2. Part number 2 is 7/25. You can see LCM of 7 and 25. We are not checking 7. We are checking 25. When we take LCM of 25, here you can see 5 5 the 25, 5 1 the 5. All prime factors of 25 are 5. So here you can see if the denominator there is a number that is 2 or 5, or prime factor of 2 or 5, that is terminating. So 2 is also terminating decimal, so here I also write terminating decimal. Now I am solving its part number 3. Its part number 3 is 8/3. In denominator there is not 2 and 5, that's why it is non-terminating. So here I write non-terminating. Non-terminating. Now I am solving its part number 4. Part number 4. Its part number 4 is 5/11. In denominator there is not 2 and 5, that's why it is also non-terminating. So here you again write non-terminating. Now we are solving its part number 5, that is 9 and 6. First of all, you can see we can cut 6 and 9 on the table of 3. So we write it in our lowest form: 3 to the 6, 3 3 the 9. Answer will be 3/2. In denominator there will be 2, so it is terminating decimal. So here I write terminating decimal. Now I am solving its part number 6. Its part number 6 is 20/15. 20/15. First of all, we convert it into a lowest form. So the 20 and 15 are cancelled out on the table of 5. 5 4 the 20, 5 3 the 15. Here we get the answer 4/3. In denominator there is a sign. So there is a number that is 3, that is not 2 and 5, that's why it is non-terminating decimal. Now 22. Now I am solving its part number 7. Its part number 7 is Its part number 7 is 22/7. As in denominator there is not 2 and 5. You can see in denominator there is not 2 and 5. Okay, so that's why this is also a non-terminating. Part number 8. Part number 8 is 4/9. When we take prime factors of 9, or when we take LCM of 9, here we get 3 3 the 9, 3 1 the 3. There are digits 3 and 3. So this is also a non-terminating. Now I conclude it in the last. अगर आपके पास डिनोमिनेटर में 2 आ जाए या 5 आ जाए, अगर वो लोएस्ट फॉर्म में नहीं लिखे हुए, जिस तरह ये नहीं लिखे हुए थे, ये आपके पास यहाँ पर ये लोएस्ट फॉर्म में नहीं लिखे हुए थे, इसको हमने पहले लोएस्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट किया। लोएस्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने के बाद अगर आपके पास डिनोमिनेटर में 2 and 5 नहीं आ रहा, तो वो नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल होगा। अदरवाइज़ क्या होगा, वो टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल होगा। अगर आपके पास 2 and 5 आ रहा है तो टर्मिनेटिंग होगा, अदरवाइज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग होगा। दूसरी बात, इफ़ यू टेक एलसीएम लाइक दिस, जब एलसीएम ने तो यहाँ पर जितने भी नंबर्स आ रहे हैं आपके पास, ये ऊपर देख लेते हैं, यहाँ पर जितने भी नंबर्स आ रहे हैं, ये अगर 2 and 5 है तब भी वो क्या होगा, टर्मिनेटिंग, अदरवाइज वो नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग होगा। आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस। दिस इज़ आवर टुडे लेक्चर। अल्लाह हाफिज़।